Hey everybody, it's SONJDRADELUXE, and today I'm going to be swatching the Fenty Beauty Mademoiselle lipsticks. I've got all the shades, I think, and so this is the lipstick. This is just what they look like real quick because I'm going to do the swatches silently, of course, but packaging bomb. I'll let you know what I think after. Let's get started. Okay, so those are all of the Fenty Beauty Mademoiselle colors. Hope you enjoyed this swiggity swatch. In terms of how they feel like you're wearing a chapstick, so your lips feel really moisturized, not greasy. They go on really nice. I really love the interesting color choices. These feel really good, and I feel like sometimes in the winter time, like, people want to wear a matte lip, but it can dry you up. But I really like these and they feel good. This one is the PMS. I like these a lot and I think the colors are really cool and I'm excited to play with them more. So I hope you enjoyed this quick little swatchy swatch. Thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to share, subscribe, and follow, and love yourself and stay pretty. I'll see you guys again in the next video. Take care.